Rafael, how are you, man?
Great, and you? How are
Very
you?
good. Long time no see. I'm very excited about this.
Yeah, yeah. It's been like 1 year and a half, I think. Well, not since the last time, but like at least 6 months. Yeah,
Yeah, at least, at least.
yeah,
I'm sure you've been busy, and that's why you haven't connected. So I'm very excited
yeah.
to, catch up and see where you're at, man. Um, First
Great.
off, before we start, right? Who are you and what do you do? So people know about who you are.
Yeah. So, well, my name is Rafa. I'm 26 years old from Spain, but actually not living there. That we can talk about that. Then, I'm a web designer. I'm the web designer focused on conversion. That's what I would like to be known. Yeah, I joined the young club, the BONT Club, like 1 year and a half ago.
Mm-hmm.
It's going really well because it was when I started freelancing. And my journey was like from zero to hero, like they say, no?
Love it, love it. Yeah, true, man. Like I remember when you were thinking about joining, you had quit or you were about to quit your career in sales, or you
Yeah,
had quit.
it's no, it's funny. It's funny because I was thinking about to quit that week. I remember on Sunday I was like, okay, I quit, but I tell to myself like, okay, wait for 1 week,
Mm-hmm.
so you decide in cold, not in warm.
Mm.
Um, the next 2 days, they fired me, and the same day that they fired me, I signed into the Bond Club the same day.
Same day. Oh, wow. I didn't remember that.
Yeah,
That's super cool. And what
yeah,
did your life look like prior to enrolling to the Bone Club?
yeah. Well, as you say, I was working on sales on a startup.
Mm-hmm.
Well, my life was by the moment was nice because I had a great job. I was living by my own on a great city in Barcelona, but I felt like I need something. I wanted to try freelancing, to try by my own. With one club, it helped me like a lot because just for one decision, it valued the whole master, no? Because I remember you told me because I told you like, yeah, I want to go freelance, I want to do web design, web development in Webflow. I'm going to do this course, and you told me, if you are good designing, why do you want to learn to develop
Yeah,
the website when you can hire someone to do it? And I was like,
right.
is this possible? This time to you, my career started in a different point, and
Mm.
maybe if I started doing like design and developing, I will not be here right now.
Wow, wow. That's amazing, man. Yeah, I remember that. I remember that, that I challenged you there. Now, you didn't have a background in design. And so, like, why did you want to start, just like very briefly, why did you want to start a freelancing business? Were your goals?
Well, my goals was to live wherever I wanted to live, and
Mm-hmm.
work whenever I want to work.
Mm-hmm.
I thought like working in a company, I will not have that possibility.
Mm.
I loved the design work. I love sales, so I was thinking like, okay, I think I can uh, combine both. I started by
Mm.
my own. yeah, like 1 year and a half, as I told you, I decided to start freelancing. I came back to my parents' house to like save some money and not spend because when you uh, go freelancer, you have different costs that you have no, no salary.
Mm-hmm.
And now the whole business that I built.
Um, when you go freelance, you have no salary, and then I lost. It became a little bit choppy.
Yeah.
What was the last thing?
No, no, that I'm living now. I'm living by my own. I have my own salary.
Oh,
In another country, like everything is going well after one
right,
year and a half.
right. So that's where I wanted to go. Like, what are the tangible results that you have achieved? And by the way, do you hear the noise, the background noise of the cutting machine, the grass, or is it just me?
No, no,
Ah,
I'm
okay,
good.
okay.
It's a
Okay,
little bit, but it's okay. Yeah. So
yeah, the tangible results.
in terms of result, I've developed my personal brand like a lot. I have uh, 7K followers on LinkedIn right now.
Wow, that's
This is
great.
a place where I develop my personal brand, and then from there I took like many clients, and also started my newsletter that I have like almost 400. In terms of business,
Sorry,
for example, this
in
is
in your newsletter, it's a little bit choppy. In your newsletter, you
yeah
have
400.
400. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
awesome.
Um, in terms of business, like it's fluctuating. Like
Yeah.
this month is really good, this month is really bad. But for example, this month is the first month in my life that I reach 10K. That is not actual profit because I have to pay the developing and
Right,
and
right.
other professionals, but I reached the 5K. I reached the
Wow.
milestone
Right,
that
right.
year.
So
That
10K
1 year.
in revenue, 5K net.
Yeah,
Perfect,
yeah,
perfect.
mostly yeah,
Yeah, got it. But yeah, it's a first 10K month, right? Like that's what you charged for the work that you're doing. Then of
yeah.
course that needs to be split into um, other professionals. So you're delegating your whole development, and what else are you delegating?
CEO,
Mm,
SEO. Sorry,
SEO. Yeah,
SEO.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. SEO,
I
yeah,
related
SEO.
it too. Yeah.
Um, okay, so you're hiring and you're taking that on, and you're client facing.
Yep, yep.
Right.
And it's going really well. Like, for example, like when I started on BONT Club, it's also something that helped me know, like you have to set this price
Mm-hmm.
because it's when you started I go start low, but no, you
Yeah,
told me like you have to start at this.
yeah.
Um, and I started like one the first website that I saw, it was lower than the price that you tell us
That I suggested. Mm-hmm.
to set. But at first it was
Yeah.
difficult because I have no client, no everything, and blah blah blah.
Right. Yeah, yeah,
And it was like 1.5K.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
But the last website that I've sold the last week was 5K, 5K. So in less than a
There you
year,
go.
like yeah,
Right. Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
st I I
So
started knowing
three, more
knowing
than
like the
three.
value, yes, knowing the value that I can offer, and how important is my job for that business. So I started valuing myself better. Um,
Mm.
it's reflecting in the business.
Amazing, man. And that's 5K net for you.
No, no, no. That's the fine. The final is 5K.
Okay, so
But
when
from
you say
there,
10K, what was that like? Was that the price that you said to a client, or how is that
no,
10K?
that was three projects, three projects
Ah, okay, sorry,
together. Yeah,
sorry.
yeah,
Okay, got it, got it. Okay, amazing, man, amazing, amazing. So, and in terms of consistency, right? Like, how is that working for you? Because of course we have like fluctuations. The problem is when it goes from 2K or 3K to zero, right? Like,
yeah.
so like, how's the consistency going for you or working?
Actually, really nice. Actually, really nice. At least for me, I got like 2K in profit for me each month. That
Mm-hmm.
is really good for me because I'm not in like a huge huge level to live. So for
Yeah,
me, that's
yeah.
okay. And that there are better month and worse month, but at least
Right,
I have that salary. That is really
right,
nice.
right. Right, that's amazing. So you're seeing that consistency, and this is 1.5 years after starting a
Yeah,
career, because you were
yeah,
not only new at business but also new in design as well. So that's amazing,
yeah.
man. That's great. That's a great achievement. Like all the things that you're sharing, it's and I'm a witness of your effort as well in the BONT Club. So I wanna also congratulate you because and I always like to clarify this, right? I'm here to help in guiding you, in giving you the resources, but it's really up to each person to make the most of it and put it into practice, right? Um, so, what would you tell someone that is considering investing in the Bond Club?
Do it, do it. And for me, I get the money back from it, so it helped me a lot. But also, the thing that it helped me like the most for me was in the design part. Like I thought I knew to design, but with you, it helped me a lot with the grid and the colors, the typography, everything. It helped me to become a better designer. And knowing that, achieving that ability, I've been able to charge more money than from another point.
Right, right. And one thing, I don't know if you mentioned it and when it got lost, but where are you now? Share that with us.
Yeah, I'm living in Bali, Indonesia. I'm
That's
here
amazing, man.
for the next 4 or 5 months, and then I will come back to Spain, and I will see my next journey.
Adventure. That's amazing, man. So you're working there and you're
Yeah,
traveling, like doing like a kind of like a no, not nomad, right? But it's more like, yeah, an adventure.
yeah, that's like a debate that I have. Like
Uh-huh.
I don't know if it's digital nomad because I have a place to be for 3 or 4 months, but it's
Right,
not my
right.
place, so it's like
Yeah, it's
part
having
time.
hybrid there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I love it, man. So you're having location freedom, time freedom. You're going to travel the world, having consistency in your business, knowing that
Yeah,
you're gonna be able to pay the
yeah,
bills next month, right? Enjoying your first 10K
yeah,
month, right? Which, by the way, right? I I love that you said that you're not charging 10K for one website, but you still hit 10K, right? Because that's also possible, and
yeah,
it's something that many people don't realize that you
yeah,
don't have to do a website for 10K to get to 10K months. You can do several, like you did,
yeah,
as long as you can deliver it and have profit from it, then you can hit 10K months with lower prices as well, right?
Yeah,
So that's amazing, man. That's incredible news. I'm super super
yeah,
happy
and
to hear everything. Yeah,
and
go. For it. I'm
and
gonna
I
mute
know
myself
I will
because
reach
it's
this
the
year
background
the
noise
10K.
is sorry.
Okay. Like I know, I know that I will reach the 10K this year, and absolutely no. I just have to uh do it, but I know that I will reach it by the end of the year. A website by 10K. Manifesting.
There you go. Now you have to hold yourself accountable. You said it you said
Yeah.
it publicly. Love
Yeah.
it, man. I love that. I love that. Well, that's gonna be an amazing jump for you. One step at a time, one pixel at a time. But if you went from 1.5 to 5K for a website,
Yeah.
you said, then it's just a matter of time.
Yeah.
And I'm super, super happy and proud of your work. Um, so that's it, man. Like for me, I'm incredibly thankful for your time. Thank you for hopping on a call. Um, I'm gonna wrap this up because the background noise is terrible now. um,
Okay.
but thanks for your time, man. It was a pleasure to talk with you and see you inside.
Yeah, for sure. See you. Thank you.
Bye bye.